In this video, you'll learn how to add a telephone hyperlink in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create a clickable phone number link within your email campaigns, making it easier for your recipients to contact you. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which contains various options for managing your campaigns. Next, locate and click on the Create button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. After clicking, a menu will appear, allowing you to select the type of campaign you wish to create. After that, you will want to click on Design Email from the options presented. This action will take you to the email design interface where you can customize the appearance and content of your email, ensure you are on the email design page before proceeding. Once the design page is open, you may need to close any prompts or notifications. Click on the Close button if prompted, which allows you to return to the design interface without distractions. Then click on Design Email again to access your email template options. You will now see various templates available for your email design. Choose a template that best fits your campaign's needs. After selecting a template, click on Apply to confirm your choice and proceed to the next step. This action will apply the chosen design to your email, enabling you to add content and links. At this point, drag a paragraph block to the center of your email layout. This block is where you will add your text, including the telephone hyperlink. Ensure it is positioned correctly before moving on. Now, type in the text. Call us now within the paragraph block. This phrase will act as the clickable link for your phone number. Make sure the text is clear and easy to read. Next, highlight the text you just typed. This can be done by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Highlighting is essential for adding the hyperlink correctly. After highlighting the text, click on the Add Link option in the toolbar. This will open a dialog box where you can enter the link for your phone number. In the link dialog box, type in your phone number using the format tell 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, replacing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, B when nor with your actual phone number. This format is crucial for creating a functional telephone hyperlink. Once you've entered the phone number, click on Save to store the hyperlink settings. This step confirms that the link is now associated with the highlighted text. Finally, click on Save and Exit to save your changes and return to the main campaign dashboard. This ensures that all your modifications are preserved before sending out your email. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.